Hi and welcome back to my channel for another art journaling video. Today I'm playing in my handmade junk art journal. It has a very small size and I'm playing with acrylics. The pages inside are from different paper qualities. I have used watercolor paper and also old book pages or leftover scrapbooking papers. I have primed the pages with gesso and now I go on top with acrylic paints and I just apply them with my fingers. When I have leftover paint that I don't want to put on my page, I either paint it on another page in this journal and make sure that the pages don't stick together, or I just use a scrap paper and pull that paint off my fingers, and later or for another project I can use these leftover painted papers in my art journal, so you don't waste any paint and you always have something to start with. I'm taking the paints directly from the tubes, so I don't waste too much, and I'm mainly using the Amsterdam acrylics. These are my favorites, either if you want to play with the jelly plate or just with the paint itself in a journal. They work wonderful, they are opaque, they have a nice pigmentation, and they have a good price point, I think. I also like that they are not too glossy because I'm not a big fan of glossy acrylics. What are your favorite acrylic paints? I'm really interested what you are using and why you are using them. And maybe you like to leave me a comment. If you want to see detailed images of the project, you can always jump over to my blog. There is a link in the description box. And if you like my videos, I would be very happy if you would subscribe to my channel. I think I'm happy with my background and I will dry it with my heat tool and come back and do some stamping on the background. I'm using some textured stamps to create a random pattern on the background, and I also do some second and third generation stamping to get some different shades of that color. And I'm using archival ink. It's not my go-to ink when it comes to acrylic backgrounds because it needs a bit more time to dry in comparison to STAYS-ON, but I don't have such a blue from STAYS-ON, so I'm using the archival ink and will be a little bit more patient because of that drying time. Unfortunately, I've missed recording how I made these white splatters to the background. I just used white acrylic ink and sprinkled them all over the pages, and then I let them dry, of course. before I stick down my main images. These images are from the Watercolor 1 stamp set from Rubber Dance, and I've colored them in with watercolors. To finish up the page, I'm using some words that are embossed with white onto black cardstock, and these words are from the Journal Word stamp set, and I just cut them out and stick them to the page. And here you can see the finished page. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see us next time. Bye!